Derawan Island. Derawan Island is a favorite place for exploring marine life. There are many rare animals such as the green turtle, the scarlet turtle, starfruit turtle, and sea cow. The place is also home to many rare species of marine plants and coral reef. It is also a good place for scuba diving, pearl diving, fishing, swimming, and other water sports. The entire Marine Conservancy region covers a total area of no less than 1.27 million hectares. It is the perfect tropical paradise with warm, isolated islands, soft white sand beaches fringed with waving palm trees, pristine seas that change color from green to deep blue, and an amazing underwater life of giant turtles, dolphins, manta rays, dugongs and barracudas, stingless jellyfish, and sometimes whales. Here, you can find 460 different species of corals, ranking this area second only to the Raja Ampat Islands in West Papua. The Nature Conservancy and a team of international experts also found more than 870 species of fish here, ranging from tiny pygmy seahorses to giant manta rays. So, if you love marine life and water sport, Derawan Island is waiting for you. It is located just away from the mainland of East Kalimantan in the district of Berau. The Derawan archipelago comprises 31 islands. Most well known among these are the islands of Derawan, Marachua, Senggulaki, and Kakaban. Here is Indonesia's largest nesting site of the rare and endangered giant green turtles and hawksbill turtles, where one can daily watch turtles lay their eggs in the sand or swim to sea with the turtles. The best time to visit this fascinating island is during the months of September and March, when temperatures are much cooler in the vicinity of 27 degrees Celsius with pleasant sea breezes.